Resistors may look alike from outside, but inside they are made in many different ways. Each type has its own purpose. Some are simple, some can handle a lot of power, some are very precise, and some can even change their values as conditions change. The first group is fixed resistors. These have single value. You cannot adjust them. Carbon composition resistors were the earliest. They are made by mixing carbon powder with glue-like material, shaping it into a rod and baking it. Cheap but not very accurate. Carbon film resistors came next. Here, a thin layer of carbon is coated on a ceramic rod. The coating is cut in a spiral to set the value, better stability and accuracy. Metal film resistors are similar, but the layer is metal instead of carbon. These are very accurate and create less electrical noise. Modern thick film and thin film resistors are made by printing a resistive film on a flat surface. Thin film is more accurate. Thick film is more common in everyday devices. Metal oxide resistors are built for endurance. They are coated with a special material that can handle extreme heat, keeping them stable and reliable even in demanding conditions. Wire wound resistors are made by winding a resistive wire around ceramic core. These handle more heat and are used for power circuits. Foil resistors are made from a very thin sheet of metal attached firmly to a base. These give very accurate and steady readings, but these also cost more than most other resistors. Some fixed resistors are designed to act like fuses. If current gets too high, they burn out to protect the rest of the circuit. For circuits that deal with large amount of current, power resistors are made bigger and stronger, often from wire wound on a ceramic or metal blocks. You'll find them in amplifiers and motors where heat is a big factor. The second group is variable resistors. These can be adjusted. A potentiometer has a knob or a slider. Inside there is a curved track of resistive material and a contact that moves along. Turn the knob and resistance changes. This is how volume controls work. A rheostat is like a bigger, heavier resistor made for jobs where a lot of current needs to be controlled. Its size helps to handle more power without overheating. Trimmers or trim pots are tiny adjustable resistors on a circuit board. They are set once during testing to fine-tune a circuit. The third group is special resistors. These do not have fixed value. Their resistance changes with temperature, light, voltage or other factors. A thermistor is a temperature-sensitive resistor. There are two kinds. NTC means negative temperature coefficient and its resistance falls as it warms. PTC means positive temperature coefficient and its resistance raises as it heats up. Varistors change their resistance when voltage gets high, helping to protect against voltage surge. LDR or light-dependent resistors change their resistance with light. When more light falls on them, the resistance drops. In the dark, the resistance goes up. Strain gauges are very fine resistors that change values when stretched or bent. They are used in devices to measure force, pressure or weight. Magnetoresistors react to magnetic field. When a magnetic field is near, their resistance changes, and this effect is used in sensors and measuring equipments. Now, a quick note about how resistors are packaged. This is not a type of resistor, but a style of how they are mounted on a circuit board. Through-hole resistors are the traditional ones with wire leads that passes through holes in a circuit board. SMD or surface mount resistors are small flat chips that sit directly on the surface of the board. Inside an SMD resistor, you can still have thick film or thin film construction. The style just makes them smaller, faster to assemble and perfect for modern compact devices. There are also resistor arrays where several resistors are built together in one package to save space. They can be found in both through-hole and SMD types and are used when many resistors are needed in one small area. So even though a resistor looks simple, its inside and its purpose can be very different. Fixed resistors, variable resistors and special resistors, together they give engineers every level of control over electricity. From tiny SMD chips to heavy power blocks, resistors are made in many forms to do one job: to manage the flow of current and to keep the circuit running safely and correctly.